Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you the latest insights on the tools and appliances that matter. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Waring Commercial MX1200XTX 3.5 HP blender. This blender is designed to tackle the high-demand environments of commercial kitchens, but does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Waring Commercial MX1200XTX blender offers impressive specs, packing in a powerful 3.5 HP motor with variable speed controls, ranging from 1500 to 20,000 RPM. For those really looking to amp things up, the max pulse func pushes the speed up to a jaw-dropping 30,000 RPM. This feature alone tells you this blender is not messing around. Its 64-aughts BPA-free copolyester container ensures that it's safe for food contact and can handle those large quantities that are common in commercial settings. Whether you're blending smoothies, frozen cocktails, or pureeing soups, this model is built to keep up with demand. Let's talk about how this blender holds up in real-world testing. Setting it up is incredibly straightforward. Just plug it in, set your speed, and you're good to go. During testing, we pushed this blender to its limits. We tested it with different ingredients, from ice and frozen fruits for smoothies to vegetables and nuts for purees. The motor handled everything effortlessly, even at higher speeds. The variable speed dial really does come into play here, allowing for precise control over the texture of your blends. One of the most noteworthy things about this blender is its quiet operation, especially considering its raw power. If you're in a busy kitchen environment, you know noise can be a real issue. The sound enclosure, which is available separately, significantly reduces the noise level, making it easier to use without disrupting the flow of the kitchen. It's a feature that could be a game changer for those who value both performance and a quieter workspace. But, like any product, there are some considerations. The size of the blender might be a challenge in smaller spaces. With a 64-aughts container, it's not exactly compact. However, considering the intended use for this blender is in commercial environments, it's designed for high-volume operations where size is less of an issue. Another minor downside is the lack of a built-in timer or presets. While the variable speed dial gives you a lot of control, some users might prefer the convenience of one-touch buttons for different tasks. As for the price, it's definitely on the higher end, but when you factor in the power, performance, and durability, it makes sense. If you compare it to other commercial blenders like the Vitamix 5200 or Blendtec's Connoisseur 825, you're paying for the motor and the durability that's built for heavy use. While the Waring model doesn't have all the fancy touchscreen features that some competitors offer, its simplicity and power make it a strong contender in the commercial blender category. The build quality here is solid. The 3.5 HP motor is encased in a robust body that promises long-lasting performance in a high-demand setting. Made in the USA, with both US and foreign parts, this blender is designed to handle those heavy-duty tasks day in and day out. Its CET-less and NSF certifications give you peace of mind that it meets industry standards for safety and sanitation. Over time, the blender has shown minimal signs of wear and tear, even after continuous heavy-duty use, which speaks volumes about its longevity. As for customer service, Waring Commercial has a solid reputation for providing timely and helpful support. In the event that you run into issues, you can expect a good response from their team. However, considering how robust this blender is, it's more likely that your issues will be minimal. In conclusion, the Waring Commercial MX1200XTX 3.5 HP blender is a powerhouse that lives up to its reputation. With its high motor power, variable speed control, and large capacity, it's ideal for commercial kitchens that need to produce large quantities quickly and efficiently. While it may not be the most compact or have all the fancy extra features, it does its job exceptionally well. If you're in the market for a commercial-grade blender that's built to last and handle high-volume operations, this one is worth serious consideration. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any thoughts, or maybe even experience with the Waring MX1200XTX, drop a comment below. And if you're thinking about getting one, be sure to check out the product link in the comments box. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time on Reviews Inside TV. where we bring the best in products straight to you. Until then, stay blended, folks.